Hi, I represent K&O Corporation's the Smart Sound Smartphone Speaker. Basically what it is, it's a case that amplifies the speakers on your smartphone. It doubles the decibels and it folds flat so that it fits better in your hand or in your pocket. How it works is without using any battery external power source, it works sort of like the way a trumpet does and amplifies the sound. And it gets pretty loud. Yep. And then the good thing about it is the speaker also doubles as a stand. So it's good for sharing things like movies or videos or even talking on a speakerphone when you're driving.
We have many models available from the iPhone 5, the Galaxy Note, and the S3 as well.
That's it.